Alright, so we're looking at the surface area of pentagons and hexagons. So this is the formula we're using. It needs three things. It needs the perimeter, it needs the height, and it needs the area of the base. So here's our example. We're going to find those three things. So the height is the green one. So height's easy. Let's do height is the green one, area of the base, perimeter, and then area of the base. Those are the three things you need. Oh, wait, it doesn't use that. It uses something else. It uses B. So capital B here. Okay, so just from the picture, your height is 8. So we see in the picture, your height is 8. 8 kilometers. Your perimeter, there's 5 sides, and each side is 11. So your perimeter is, there's 5 sides, and each side is 11, so your perimeter is 55 kilometers. And then the area of the base, you have, your formula for area of the base is 1/2 times the apothem times perimeter. You know what, let's do this somewhere else. So in order to find the area of the base is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So you can use 1/2 or you can use 0.5, they're the same thing. Your apothem is right here, so 7.6, and then area of, perimeter is 55, which we found earlier. So the blue one up there. So plug this in my calculator. 1/2 times 7.6 times 55. So that's 209. So area equals 209. So that's 209 there. Alright, that's the hard work. So here's the formula. Surface area equals pH plus 2b. So for the answer here, surface area equals P times H plus 2 times B. So let's plug in our numbers. Perimeter is 55. The height is 8. Plus 2 times 209. Okay, so 55 times 8 plus 2 times 209. 858 is the answer. $858. It's going to be kilometers squared is your answer here. So the perimeter and the height together, they get you the outside here. And then you have to add the top, you have to add the bottom. So if you're just looking at the perimeter times the height, that's like you cover the outsides in paper, but you need to cover the top and bottom in paper also. It's going to be the same thing with this one, the same process. So we need the height, the perimeter, and the area of the base. So it's the same formulas. So surface area equals perimeter times height plus 2b. So your perimeter the way we get perimeter, there's 6 sides. So perimeter is 6 sides. Each of them is, looks like 8 yards. So 6 sides times 8 yards. So that's 48 yards. So the perimeter is 48. Perimeter is 48. Your height, that's an easy one. Height is 5. So height is 5. Then you add 2 of the base, which we gotta find, the area of the base. So we'll go back to our formula. The area is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So your apothem is 6.9. So 1/2, 6.9. Your perimeter we found earlier was 48. Okay, calculator from here. So 0.5 times 6.9 times 48. 165.6. So that's, we're back to red. 165.6 is the area of the base. So 165.6. And that goes here. So now to get this answer, it's this calculator again. So your surface area, 48 times 5. So that's the perimeter times the height, gets you 240. So if you're covering all the sides, that's 240. Then you do 2 times 165.6 is 331.2. So your answer is 571.2. There you go. So this one is the hexagon. And then this one is the pentagon. And that's your formula. Run it back if you need to go back over anything.